Rick and Jean Borman have enjoyed countless wonderful strolls together.
We'll be married 48 years this year.
Although they've also had to navigate an unwelcome detour.
I first discovered that I had cancer in 2003.
Jean had a mastectomy, and when she reached her 5-year survival milestone, the Bormans thought she was in the clear. But cancer returned in 2009.
The recurrences started happening boom, 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 1 year right after the other. And she had 5 reoccurrences of the breast cancer, spread to other areas, her shoulder, her chest, and then up to her brain.
I ended up having to quit work, and I was no longer playing tennis or doing the volunteer work that I normally do, and was focusing mainly on being at home, resting, and taking care of myself.
But to sit there and see someone you love going through this and know that you can't do anything is very, very, very difficult.
Tamoxifen is a very effective estrogen receptor blocking drug used for decades. It's known for reducing the recurrence of breast cancer by almost half. But up to 15% of patients have a genetic variation that keeps their livers from making a vital enzyme needed to metabolize tamoxifen into endoxifen, basically its working form. Medications like antidepressants can also interfere with endoxifen conversion. So, in collaboration with National Cancer Institute researchers, Mayo Clinic set out to develop a drug that would deliver safe, effective doses of endoxifen directly.
We were able to achieve therapeutic concentrations of endoxifen. And these concentrations of endoxifen are anywhere from 10 to even 20-fold higher than those that are achievable with the drug tamoxifen.
Jean became one of 41 patients in a clinical trial, specifically for women with advanced estrogen receptor positive breast cancer who had failed standard therapies. 1/3 of them saw significant benefits with few, if any, side effects. Most importantly, says Dr. Getz,
so this tells us that the drug endoxifen, by proof of principle, is having anti-tumor activity in patients that had prior progression on tamoxifen.
Jean's doctors describe her response as remarkable, given that endoxifen has halted the progression of her cancer for nearly 3 years, when the expected benefit of any drug for someone in her situation would be 2 to 4 months at best.
It's been a miracle worker for me.
For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Dennis Doda.